Hello YouTube, Crazy Robot Lady here. I have a really cool unboxing for you guys today. This is actually my fiance's product, or a Christmas gift, but yeah, I couldn't help it, and so I undid the cellophane on the outside. I'll just let you guys have a really good look at this box. All the loveliness. This is the, whoops. Sorry you guys. This is the iPhone 12 Pro, the 128 gig version. So let's see what we got. Oops. If my poor arm will cooperate for a second time. All right, let's see. All right. Here is this wonderful beast. Let's get this plastic thing off. So we can see this beautiful OLED panel of loveliness. Let's turn it around. I would have done this on my desk, except my arm isn't being very cooperative, and my desk is currently a disaster because I have buttloads of mail on it. Okay. In the front here, we have a beautiful OLED panel, 6.5-inch screen, and a wide angle camera in the front. And then, oh yeah, I forgot. They, as you can see, unlike the other previous iPhone models in the 10 line, the design is straight. The frame is kind of reminiscent of the old iPhone 4S. And then we have the back, which is pretty awesome Gorilla Glass, and a 4-quad camera setup, as well as a LiDAR sensor. I'm not 100% sure what that thing does, but it's supposed to help with those of us who are visually impaired or whatever. It has a program or app or something in it that will let you locate people that are walking around you. And I believe this phone also features the MagSafe. Okay, I gotta straighten this out for a second. It's hellaciously painful. Okay. Anyway, the this phone features the MagSafe charging. That's if you lay it down like on a wireless charger, it will slide into place rather than you having to do all this fumbling and realigning business in order to get your phone properly set up. Let's see what else we got in here. We have, trying to find the end so I can see it. Okay. Oh, that's cool. Ugh. I'm trying to get it out of the little thingy so you can see the other end. Okay, we have a USB Type-C connector on either end of this bad boy, unlike the older version. See if there's anything else. Oh yeah, SIM card and SIM ejection tool, and I'm not gonna dare open that because my right hand is very, very clumsy. Anything else? I think that might be it. See if there's anything under this tray. Nope. So the rumors are true that it does not come with a 25-watt fast charging brick. I'm not sure. I guess you have to buy that separately or something. And as far as that actual charging speed, it can go from 0 to 50. I believe it's in 25 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. But don't hold me to it, because I would do a size comparison between this phone and my 11, but it is currently being used. So, there may be a second part to this video after my fiance sets it up and everything, but I'm kind of looking forward to this. Oh yeah, and I forgot, it also has stereo speakers, just like the previous models. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys are looking forward to us having fun playing with this bad boy as much as I am. And I will see you in the next video.